see here the chart for understanding. Say, for example, power plugin. If no, then plug it in and then it will end. If power plugin, yes, then it there must be problem with AC port plugin. I will check this. So after I am going to continue this AC port plugin and I will add two options here. So first I will write here A and I'm going to continue this. Then I will write here no. If AC port plugin is there is not it is not plugin. So I am going to write here no and then I will add here P3. P3 it means I am going to plug it AC port plugin plug it in plug it in plug it in okay and then I will going to end this so I will going to P3 and I am going to end it. This is E2. This is my second E, so I am going to name it E2 and I will end it. So if this is the case, if AC port plugin, no, then plug it in and it will end. If AC port plug in and answer is yes, then what to do? For example, I am going to a laptop repairing shop or some any other shop. So I want to end it my chart here. So what I will do, I'm going to continue again and I am going to write here yes. If the answer is yes, then what to do? I am going to write here G. It means go to repair shop. Go to repair shop. And then I am going to end this. So you can see here now it is showing that go to repair shop and I want to end it here. So I am going to continue G and then I am going to end it. So it is E3 because it is repeating third time. So I am writing here E3 and end it. So now this is the complete flow chart of the problem. This problem is just for understanding. Now I am going to format this chart and exploring some other functions of Mermaid. So next what will I do?